Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics quickly. Make sure your AirPods Pro and iPhone are updated to the latest firmware and iOS so known mic fixes apply. Then, during a call, check the microphone routing in the phone or app settings to confirm AirPods are selected. Physically inspect each earbud and the charging case. Once done, remove visible lint or debris with a soft brush. Moisture and gunk often block the mic ports and cause muffled voice pickup. Once preliminary checks are complete, you move to reset and reconfigure to clear profile or codec issues. Forget the AirPods and Bluetooth on your iPhone, then reset the earbuds by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair them fresh, because this rebuilds the audio routing and mic permissions. After reconnecting, make a real 30 to 60-second test call. This replicates live conditions and shows whether the mic level and noise cancellation interact correctly. For the final steps, you tweak noise control and isolate the source. During a call, switch noise control to transparency or off because active noise cancellation can sometimes distort voice pickup. This helps the mic hear you more naturally. If problems persist, test the AirPods on a different phone or app to determine if the issue is device-specific. If you've ruled out software and debris, contact Apple support or arrange a repair. Do this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.